Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
If you want a significantly faster Hyundai Sonata, the practical path is forced induction, adding a turbocharger or supercharger to increase intake air by roughly 30% to 60%. Bolt-ons like intake and exhaust only yield about 10% to 15% gains on modern naturally aspirated engines, so they're not enough for large improvements. A turbo or supercharger targeted to 612 psi of boost provides predictable power gains, but it requires planning for fueling, cooling, and strength to handle the higher. A proper turbo conversion for a Sonata needs a matched turbo and external wastegate, upgraded fuel injectors such as 550cc units, and an ECU capable of managing boost and timing. Use intake and charge piping at about 3.5 inches where possible, and a downpipe of 3.5 inches with a 2.5-inch catback exhaust to reduce back pressure. Add a front-mounted intercooler with at least 50% more core volume than stock and plumbing rated for higher temperature cycles to keep charge temps under control. After hardware, precise custom ECU tuning is essential. Target maps that limit timing under heavy load and require 91 octane or higher fuel to prevent detonation at 612 psi of boost. Improve cooling with a larger radiator, high-flow water pump, and an oil cooler to keep temperatures stable. If you plan to exceed roughly 30% more power, upgrade internal components like forged pistons and stronger connecting rods, and fit a performance clutch to handle torque. Then verify results on a dyno for safety and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.